for beginners workout. A lot of these HIIT moves you'll see are in the HIIT app, so you can check it out yourself. We're gonna do 5 moves and we'll do them 3 times through. It'll take about 9 or 10 minutes. So I just want you to follow along and do your best, moving at your top speed, your top pace. But remember that your form is more important than the speed. So take it at your pace. And let's just start rolling. I'm gonna set a timer. The first move we're gonna do is pretty simple. You're gonna start standing and we're gonna move for 20 seconds right here, arm pulses. That's it. Your shoulders are back, your palms face up, and you activate all the way through your fingertips. And we just breathe here, exhaling, and then try to add a little bit more power in those arms. And we go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those palms down. Second move, pulses to the ground. So still active through your fingertips. Core is engaged. You should start to feel the heat building in your shoulders, in your arms. Keep it up. We've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax the arms. Now the feet a little bit wider than your hips, toes turned out slightly. We go for 10 squats, all the way down, all the way up. Squeezing the glutes at the top. We go for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the feet this wide. Right away, move into some fast feet. Picking the toes up off the ground, move them as fast as you can. Let everything just shake. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Good, right here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Bring it down, finding a high plank position. Now, if a high plank isn't in the cards for you, you just drop the knees, untuck the toes, hips, ribs, shoulders, all in a line. You could also do this against a wall if you need even less weight. Shoulders over the wrist, take a few breaths. We're holding for about 20 seconds. About. Letting the heat build in the core, shoulders, active through the legs. We hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. All right, now you have about 30 seconds here to rest, and then we do the whole thing again. So that was just over 2 minutes. Bringing it back up to your feet. If you need some shoulder rolls, some big deep breaths. Good. And then we're back on in 3, 2, starting with that first move, those nice, easy shoulder pulses. Active through the fingertips, shoulders back, and now try to bring your core into this. Really pull the belly up and in, maybe squeezing the glutes, just flexing everywhere for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then palms down. Just keep with the motion. That pulse, shoulders back, neck long. Those deep breaths in and out through the nose, maybe some exhales out the mouth if you need it. We hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Those feet wider than the hips, toes out, 10 squats. Bring it down, squeeze the glutes on the way up, down and up. Only go as low as you can. And the next time you do this workout, maybe the squats go even faster. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Holding here right into those fast feet. 20 seconds here. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands up. Let everything just shake. Fast on the toes. Right here for 10 more seconds. See if you can go a little bit faster. Right here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Bring the hands down right into that high plank. Maybe knees dropped, maybe hands against a wall. 15 seconds here. Breathe in and breathe out. After those fast feet, you should really feel all of that heat in your body. Core engaged, leg muscles engaged. Embrace it. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 30-second break. We've got one more round to go. On your feet, roll the shoulders out, maybe some neck rolls. The goal is to bring your heart rate down. With these HIIT workouts, it's high intensity intervals. So the heart rate comes up, and then we have little periods of rest to bring it back down. So that's what we're doing with this 30-second break. Heart rate down, pace of your breath down, body temperature down. And if you need longer than 30 seconds, you take longer than 30 seconds. Roll the shoulders back. Last round, arms out, just a pulse. Breathe in, breathe out. And you'll see all of these movements in 8Fit's HIIT programs. In the beginning of the big program you do, it's going to be nice, easy movements like these arm pulses, low impact movements. Flip it down. Breathing out. Keeping active through the fingers. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, those feet nice and wide. Drop into that squat. We go down, squeeze up, down, and up for 8, 7, 6. Sit those hips back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right into those fast feet. 20 seconds here. Really, really quick. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lifting the toes off the ground. Letting your butt shake, but engaging the core here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Last plank. We go down on the ground, spread the fingers wide, press the heels back, core is lifted, holding here. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, breathing, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop those knees. And we are only 6, 7 minutes in, so we're gonna do one little bonus round. You can stand back up, let that heart rate come down, bringing the arms up. Deep breath. One more breath in. Exhale, and then start those arm pulses right here. We breathe in, we breathe out, really flexing through those hands. Engage through the fingertips. Right here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then flip those hands down. We hold here 20 seconds, breathing deep, pushing through that last round. Shoulders back for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hands, those feet wide. 10 squats. Drop it right down and up, down and up. Squeezing those glutes on the way up. We have 7, 6, 5, 4. Try to go a little bit faster. 3, 2, 1, and right into those fast feet. So if it takes you longer to do the squats, take your time and then join us with those fast feet. Lifting the toes, heart rate way back up again. Right here, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, a little bit faster. 4, 3, 2, 1, and one last final plank. Bring the hands down, knees drop if you need to. Spread the fingers wide, core engaged. We're here for 8. Slow count. 7, 6, 5. Keep those hands pressing down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those knees to the earth. Sit up. Let that heart rate come down. If you have